Kuumirira ritana ria President Uhuru Kenyatta mutaratara wa kuheana title deeds utengerio na ihenya o uria kwahotekeka guku bururi-ini. Minister wa migunda Farida Karoney oigite kambuni iria igurite migunda mwena wa Laikipia itari na title deeds marutithanie wira na thirikari ya county gutigirira ni magia title ici.
So we'll sit with the county government, work with those teams and see which land buying companies have which members and what are their levels of documentation, because our experience in Nairobi is that a lot of the documentation from these land buying companies are not very clear. So we need to sit with them so that we can know how many potential members we have that we can title.
Hamwe na uguo Karoney oigite ministry yake ni kurutithania wira na county ino kugayania icigo cia urimi na maundu mangi guteithiriria aikari gutherema.
So our intention here is twofold. One, to title. We want to give as many titles as we possibly can. And secondly, to work with the county government to plan. Here in the registry, we want to work with the staff here to make it a modern registry.
Uhoro uyu ukinyitwo mbaru ni thirikari ya county ya Laikipia yugite ni gukuruhania mwingi nderetini ya migunda na kuri aria mari na title deed cia Google mekwerwo ikinya riake watho.
We want to ensure that we have a proper inventory, and anybody who is holding a title on a public land is encouraged to surrender before the matter is forwarded to DCI for prosecution. So the window is still open. We are encouraging you, but it is about to close. So please do so.
Ngiri fotera Inooro TV, jetagwo Masi, wadia wa mrithi.